Hey, hey, hey. Woo, woo. Let's go get some. Let's get some. Woo, woo. Hey, 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 I forgot my tripod today, so my camera is like precariously on my glove so it doesn't get too wet on a branch. This is DIY. Topic for today. DIY, DWY, DFY. DIY, DWY, DFY. What's that? I'm Bradley Sharvin, Repossible Podcast and Thursday Thunder. It's Thursday. It's actually Thursday. Last week it was Wednesday. Before that it was Friday. You know, Thursday in general, like the broader definition of Thursday, meaning part of Wednesday and part of Friday. That'll work, right? Hey, here we go. This is DIY. This is do it yourself. I have my camera on a branch held up with my glove and it's kind of working. DIY, do it yourself. Had I done DWY, it would have been done with you, and I would have had maybe somebody helping with the camera, or audio or video editing, or making this thing actually like professional. Or we do DFY, which is done for you, and that is when I'm going to do this video for you, for your content. I'm going to do something, and you just uh, accept it and say thank you and pay money or something, right? So these are three elements, and you might think, oh well, I definitely want done for you. No, 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 I want DIY. I want do it yourself. And yet the answer is a balance. The answer is really what works best for you and when and why, and then sort of how as well. So if I took Pepper here and I did done for you, I'm going to go get the ball for you. I'm going to chase the mice for you. I'm going to go dig. What are you doing? I'm going to go pull a big log out of the water so I can chew on it for you. He definitely doesn't want DIY. He doesn't want done for you. He doesn't want me to do that for him. That's his favorite part. In fact, he doesn't even really want DIY because if I weren't here, I mean, he'd be focused for a bit, but he's like, whoa, whoa, where's my man? Where's my dude? Where's my boss? Right? So he wants DWY. He wants done with you. The reason I'm bringing this up today is because I'm looking forward to 2022 and what's going to happen and where do I want to focus in my offerings, in my services, in my programs, in my books. So let's analyze this real briefly. If DIY is I'm going to give you a book and you're going to read it and you're on your own, have fun, do it yourself, read the book, do your thing. I'm out of the picture, right? I offered you a thing and now you're going to do it yourself. Cool. Whereas there's also DWY, done with you, where let's say you'd like to write your first book, you want to write your worst book ever, or you want to write your very short nonfiction ebook as a lead magnet leading to your other services and products. And you want to do that together with me in like a coaching or even a group coaching atmosphere. That's DWY, done with you. And we're going to do it together. We're going to be accountable. We're going to have tasks and timelines and deadlines and stuff. And I can even help you. I'm going to look over your shoulder as you're doing it and help you do it. Because guess what? You're going to get it done. Then there's done for you. Let's say you want, I don't know, something I might do. I could format your book or write your cover or do your editing. Okay, I do none of those things. Don't ask me to do those things. Bad examples. But things like that. Like I've had covers done. I send out my cover. I say, this is what I would like. Please do it for me. Or Amazon advertising or other things that I do that either I'm not good at or I just don't want to, or it's not worth my time, or it's worth my time to pay somebody else money to do the thing that I can't do or they're better at, or it's just done for you is better. Although I have done, like I'm now, speaking of Amazon ads, I'm kind of doing done with you because I'm in a group and we're doing ads together. So there's an accountability aspect, and that's nice because then we're doing it together. Follow me? DIY, DFY, DWY. Those are hard to say. I'm struggling with them. DIY is easy. Why? Because we know that one. DIY. There's even shops called DIY. Hardware stores. So DIY. Do it yourself. Yet, which elements of your business or even personal life do you want to have do it yourself? Do you want to have done with you? Do you want to have done for you? And why? So here's my challenge. I'm going to do this too. What elements do you want in which bucket and why for 2022? Just, I don't know, pick three. Like try to find three each, so 9 total of elements that you want in each bucket. And if you can't find them, maybe then that sort of offering, that sort of the way it gets done, isn't the way you want to do it. And that's fine. DIY, DFY, DMY. I'm getting faster. I'm getting faster. What works for you and when and why? And then I would add to my books for 2022 the idea of frequency. Every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year. So for example, DIY, I have a daily meditation practice. That's definitely DIY. I'm doing that on my own. Although I really prefer done with you. I prefer having a group meditation. However, I can't do that every day. So on a daily basis, I do DIY meditation. On a monthly basis, I actually have a meditation group. We meet monthly. That's done with you. We're doing that together. And meditation, what is done for me in meditation? I don't know. I guess I buy guided meditations from guru people who record these things. I guess that's done for me. Or maybe I watch a course. So that would be, there's 3 examples right there in my meditation practice. Writing, really quick, I don't actually write daily anymore. I create daily. Weekly, I have this. Here's my creation video-wise. And monthly, I have a newsletter. Boom. I just got 6 done in about a minute. You got me? You're going to get 9 done in a few minutes? Share them with me in the comments or send me an email, okay? I'm Bradley Charbonneau. It's actually Thursday for Thursday Thunder today, and this is the Repossible podcast as well. Great to see you. I have a special guest next week. Looking forward to that, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye. Pepper to snip snip. Go on, Pep. Rubbing your pepper to pep pep. Pepper to pep.